I'm really, I have my, naka-target sa mata ko yung mga nag-traidor kay Digong. No? Hindi ko kayo kakalimutan. At saka hindi ko sila tatantanan. Itong si Victor Del Rosario,
Mhm.
na nagpo-post pa siya na pumunta si Bangag sa kanila, no. I think he's with some marine something part of the
Yeah.
government, no.
Mhm.
And he was saying, I was part of the Duterte administration, I was appointed, I became USEC, whatever. Pero alam nyo, si Marcos, ang talino-talino, hindi naman siya bangag, jujuju. Up, okay? Up. You were appointed because ang kulit mo. Talagang he was really hounding BG. You were a nuisance. Pwede ba? So in other words, no, wag na wag niyong gagamitin si Digong na. Tapos kasi pag nalaman ko na ginamit si Digong, ginamit niyo ang pangalan ni Digong to prove a point, lalo na yung punto ninyo ay kasi ang galing ni Bangag, hindi ko kayo titigilan. Kaya ako hindi tinitigilan yan si Vince Dizon, hindi ko titigilan yan si Libiran, hindi
Si
ko
Galvez.
titigilan yan si
Si
Galvez.
Galvez. Oo.
Wag na wag ninyong gagamitin si Digong. You are not worthy.